How to add books to list in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add books to a list. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Now here you can search for any books that you want to keep in the list. So you can directly search for it, or you can even slowly scroll down and find the book. So here I'm tapping on one book. So these are the information about this book. Now here on the top, you'll be able to see add to list. Simply tap on add to list. Now here you can create any of the list, or here you can even add it to an existing list. So here I'm tapping on one and it has been added. So later you can check out your library and view about the book. So it's a type of reference and a type of bookmark too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.